Welcome to this lesson on the Italian alphabet. Today we will learn the letters of the alphabet and their sounds. The Italian alphabet has 21 main letters. In Italian, we also use some foreign letters for words borrowed from other languages. Let's repeat together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z.
Here the foreign letters.
I lunga, K, W, X, Y.
Now, let's repeat each letter, together with an example.
A, amico. B, bambino. C, cane. C, cerbiatto. D, dado. E, elefante. F, fiore. G, gatto. G, gelato. H, hotel. I, isola. L, libro. M, mela. N, nave. O, occhio. P, pane. Q, quadro. R, rosa. S, sole. T, tavolo. U, uva. V, vaso. Z, zaino.
As you may have noticed in the examples, the sound of the letters C and G changes depending on the vowel that follows them. And here are the sounds they can produce.
K, C, C, Co, Q, E, Chi. Ga, Ge, Gi, Go, Gu, Ge, Gi.
Now, listen to some sample words. Please note the use of the letter H. In Italian, it does not produce any sound. However, when it is placed next to the vowels E and I, specifically between C and E, C and I, G and E, or G and I, it changes the sound of C and G.
Perché? Chiave. Spaghetti. Ghiaccio.
I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content to help you on your journey to learning Italian. With just 30 days of listening and repeating, you'll see great improvement in your skills. Let us know in the comments if there's a specific topic you'd like to learn or practice. And if you found this helpful, give us a like. See you in the next lesson.